mate. Oh yeah, sorry, yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, test drive MK Indy R Hayabusa R&M racing engine. As we know on the stats, this bad boy kicks out 220 of your finest brake horsepowers and 127 foot-pound of torque. So it's pretty hot. The only thing that ain't hot is the temperature today. It's freezing. Hence the crash helmet. It's freaking freezing. But I'm in here and I'm happy. Why? Because I'm driving a booster car. So what are the stats? Sub 500 kilo car, it's a polybush car, 50 mil roll cage, 220 horsepower, 127 foot-pound of torque, R&M built engine, as I just said, seated cars on it, wheelwoods on the front, standards on the rear, but it's got a flat shifter in it. I'll show you what a flat shifter is. Full on, flat, gear changes, seamless. That's 6 gear. That's what's good about it. Totally flawless. Upshift, done. No problem, don't have to touch the clutch. Bury the throttle, away you go until you run out of road. Or track, or circuit, or talent. Probably talent in my case. There we go. It's got a slipper clutch in here as well, so it hasn't got downshift on the auto clip, but it has got a slipper clutch, so I can gear change down and the clutch will help with all of that. So you can change, it just helps protect the engine and the gearbox and everything else. So you bury the throttle, we've got the DD2, I've got shift lights ready to come on. Nail it! Oh, that just comes on, that never gets old. Great, got the small 270 steering wheel here, suede one, millet pedal box in here, all going on, and it's a full-on track monster that you can use on the road. It's not, you know, designed for the road, you tend to, you know, cruising at 70 miles an hour, but you nail this sucker and she is gone. No question about it. But I can just cruise along, look, low speed, goes through the gears, no clutch legs are not even on it, nice and simple, up to 6 gear, national speed limit, cruising along, quite comfortably actually, probably do this quite a few miles, wouldn't be a problem really. Would I go south of France with it? No, I'd have an RX5 for that, or a turbo on S2000, but would I want to go to drive to a track day in it and have a track day blast? Blinking right and all I would. It's mental. They're so good, these cars. With a lightweight, brakes are super good, gear change super slick. I mean, where can you get a free 6-speed sequential gearbox? Put that in a car engine, 6 grand's worth, 7 grand's worth of gearbox. Comes free with a bike engine.